Hello my friends, I have another template for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This time is animated icon reveal, and this one you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. So let's get to it. Alright, once you're in Davinci Resolve, just click and choose new Fusion composition. Choose the duration for 10 seconds because this one is animated for 10 seconds. Frame rate 60 fps. Choose create. Now double click on Fusion composition. Once in Fusion, delete the media out, FX library, templates, and folder where you extracted the file. Mine is in icons. Choose the icon reveal number 1. And then I will go inside the custom nodes and I will choose the media out for full HD. Arrange tools to the grid like this, and this one you can just connect to the media out. Press 2 on the keyboard for media out, and then social icon set number 1. This one you will ungroup. If you don't have it, you can download on my last video. Okay, now just choose whichever you want. I will choose the Facebook. Copy, paste here, connect to the icon reveal, and as you can see, this animation is done, but something is wrong here. All you have to do is reduce the size in the background for this Facebook icon. I will choose 110 times 110 pixels. This one is a little bit large, so I will reduce a little more, or 90 and 90, and that should do it. If you want another one, connect the Twitch on Twitch color, reduce the size 100 by 100 or 90 in this case, and that's basically it. Animation is here. Twitter color, reduce the size 100 times 100, and Twitter is here. Simple as that. If you want to add some effects like a shadow or glows or something, you can just ungroup. Take this a little bit out of the way. Take the Twitter logo here, and all you have to do is here add the shadow. Click on the shadow. You can use the softness, light distance, and you will have the shadow. If you want a glow, you can add. Simple as that. Very easy. Just drag, connect to the media out, and that's it. You just go inside the edit and drag the Fusion composition, and animation will be here. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.